Ready? Exercise number 23, legal matter, series B, start. The petitioner, YD, the present petition seeks the quashing of the order dated 5/1/2021, as well as the non-bailable warrants issued against him by the order dated 5/1/2021 by the Court of Learned CMM PHC in FIR number 147/2020. PSEOW under sections 406/420/120B of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Whilst seeking quashing of order dated 2/3/2021 YD, which the prayer made by the petitioner therein before the learned trial court seeking cancellation of non-bailable warrants issued by the order dated 5/1/2021 was declined. The petitioner has also sought the quashing of an order dated 3/3/2021 of the learned CMM PHC along with the process under section 82 of the CRPC 1973 issued against the petitioner in the said FIR by the learned trial court. Stop, next para. In view thereof, the order dated 3/3/2021 of the learned trial court directing the issuance of process under section 82 of the CRPC 1973 against the petitioner in FIR number 147/2020. PSEOW under sections 406/420/120B of the Indian Penal Code 1860 is quashed. The petitioner YD, the present petition, has submitted that the FIR in question is maliciously instituted with motivated reasons to extort the petitioner, though the matter relates to a civil commercial dispute and that arbitration proceedings in relation to the dispute are also pending. Stop, next para. The FIR in the instant case has been lodged on the complaint of Mr. Anuj Tyagi, authorized representative of Miss Saya Cementation Limited, wherein the complainant is stated that Mr. Amit Mavi, director of Miss Alisha Infratech Private Limited and Miss Baya Weaver Limited had informed them that he was developing a project in Sector 129 JP Greens, Wish Town, Noida, UP in the name and style of Oh My God, but that he had been unable to complete the project which had been launched in the year 2013, and that till that time not more than 5% of the work including the structure had been done at the site, and thus Mr. Amit Mavi proposed to transfer the shareholding of these two companies to the complainant company. Stop, next para. It was thus submitted on behalf of the state through the status report as also orally submitted that the reply received from the petitioner had vague answers and he did not disclose anything about siphoning of funds to the tune of rupees 9 crores, and thus his custodial interrogation was required to unveil the conspiracy hatched by them in siphoning of funds which were exclusively paid for making clients payments, and that on 23/12/2020 his office was raided, which was found to be already vacated by the accused persons, whereafter his house in Ghaziabad was raided where the mother of Arun Kumar was there, who informed that the petitioner had gone out with his family, and she, however, refused to disclose any whereabouts of the petitioner month that the petitioner had absconded, and thereafter on 5/1/2021 non-bailable warrants against the petitioner and two others were obtained and raids were conducted to arrest them, whereafter the proclamation under section 82 of the CRPC 1973 was issued by the learned CMM, returnable for 15/4/2021. Stop. Next para. Though the prayers made by the petitioner were vehemently opposed on behalf of the estate, submitting to the effect that the petitioner had not cooperated in the investigation by not answering the questions put by the IO appropriately, though he had joined the same. Full stop. Thank you very much.